Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time to watch my channel, hello, my name is Diab. I'm an interior architect and you are watching Decor Time. Oh, by the way, this is a quick announcement for channel name changing. I changed it to Decor Time, so let me know in the comment below if you like it or not. Well, today's video is gonna be in Ikea store. I'm gonna take you in a quick walkthrough in the kitchen partitions and let's see what they have new for kitchen designs and setup. And by the way, they do have a lot of construction there. That means they will have more new designs and they're not revealed yet. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and you hit already the bell next to the subscribe button to be updated for next time I upload the part 2 of IKEA kitchen designs. Well, let's start with the first kitchen today, which they used a parallel design for this kitchen because this design helps more for small ones and the narrow design space. Mainly, you built your base cabinets as two lines parallel to each other, one at the right and one at the left. This is help you to give you more space for long, narrow spaces. And for wall cabinet, they didn't use wall cabinet here. They used metal shelves, open shelves. This helps more to give you bigger space and make it more lively and let the light go through the area, so it gives you a bigger space than you already actually have. And on the other side here, actually good idea, instead of using the whole cabinet with closed door, they use only one unit with doors and the other one next to it with shelves. So again, it makes your space looks bigger than actually it is. For this kitchen, it's not a small one like the one before, but they do use good ideas for the kitchen island. They didn't stick with the regular kitchen island in the middle. They used two of them. We're gonna see it later. And here they used this wall cabinet as like a buffet in the kitchen, and this is not a regular, you can see. Very important tip here, using lighting in the cabinet and under cabinet will elevate your design for a higher level. Don't just use your cabinet and don't play with the light. So if you are interested in lighting design, I'm gonna upload more videos about how to use your lighting in your decor and your interior space. Here's what I was talking about at the kitchen island. They used two next to each other. They used first the fixed kitchen island with the coarse countertop, and the other one, it's movable one. You can put it in the middle, you can put it next or against the wall, so you can move it wherever you want. And by the way, the cabinets, pulls and knobs they used in their kitchens, it's not trendy anymore. It's actually out of the trend this year. All the trends now for the knobs and pulls, it's the brass, the golden knobs with different finishing. Again, we're gonna talk all about the kitchen trends for 2023 in next videos, so make sure you are subscribed to not missing any video. very quick tip here for the kitchen sinks: do not use these top mounted sinks. All the water on your countertop will be trapped around these edges and it's gonna build up a lot of bacteria and it's gonna be very hard to clean. So the best you can use the integrated one or the drop-in sinks. For the tall cabinet, the best idea here is using the pull-out shelves. So it helps you to use all this vertical space instead of leaving it useless, or you're gonna end up using only the bottom of this cabinet. I like in this dining area how they use different materials and textures in the cushions, in the table, with the chairs, and this window bay, how they use the storage underneath this, and the total vibe is really great here. And here is the drop-in sink I was talking about. This is perfect. It doesn't build any bacteria. It's easy to clean your countertop. Nothing is gonna trap and build up any kind of bacteria. Okay guys, if you reached that part of the video, thank you for watching. I hope you like the tour and all the tips I shared with you. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel, and don't miss the next part or second part of this video after the IKEA done with all construction. I'm gonna share with you what they're gonna have for the new year. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.